Have you ever imagined this? You work day and night, giving your best to your job, and then one day, someone else does the same work just as well, but for half your salary. Would your company still keep you? Now take it one step further. Imagine that person isn't even human. It's a computer, a system that doesn't get tired, doesn't complain, doesn't take vacations, and can work perfectly 24 hours a day. Would you feel safe in your job? This isn't a distant what if. According to Geoffrey Hinton, one of the pioneers of modern artificial intelligence and widely known as the Godfather of AI, that future has already begun. Artificial intelligence feels like a sudden explosion, but its story began decades ago. Back in 1950, legendary mathematician and computer scientist Alan Turing asked a groundbreaking question: can machines think like humans? To answer it, he proposed the Turing test, a challenge where, if a machine's answers were indistinguishable from a human's, it had passed. For decades, AI tried and failed to meet that bar. Then, in 2014, history was made. In a test at the Royal Society in London, judges chatted online with what they believed was a 13-year-old Ukrainian boy. After many questions, 20 out of 30 judges concluded it was human, but it wasn't. It was a chatbot named Eugene Goostman. That moment proved something important. AI wasn't just evolving, it was learning to imitate us. Early AI could only do narrow, simple tasks like playing chess or solving math problems. But in the last decade, something changed. Deep learning and neural networks, two fields where Geoffrey Hinton made key breakthroughs, pushed AI forward at breathtaking speed. Hinton worked at Google for 10 years, developing systems that would become the foundation of today's most advanced AI. But in 2023, he left, warning the public that AI could soon become more intelligent than humans. His words were stark. Humans have already fallen to second place in intelligence. Hinton says AI's impact on the job market will be swift and far-reaching. Many professions will disappear completely. Customer support agents will be the first casualties. AI chatbots already handle more than 80% of customer queries for banks and telecom companies. At Klarna, an AI bot replaced the work of 4,000 human agents, offering instant responses, 24/7 availability, and zero frustration. Legal assistants and junior lawyers are next. AI can now draft contracts, summarize legal cases, and conduct research in seconds, tasks that once took humans days. Tools like Harvey AI and GPT-4 are already used by major law firms, reducing the need for entry-level hires. Writers, editors, and content creators, once considered safe in the creative space, are also in danger. AI can write articles, scripts, and ad copy instantly. Google's blogging platform has seen massive traffic drops as more content is generated by AI instead of humans. For decades, entry-level roles like data entry, onboarding, email responses, and document checks were a starting point for young professionals. Now, AI bots perform these tasks faster and cheaper, leaving fresh graduates without a foot in the door. Even software developers, long considered future-proof, are at risk. AI-powered coding tools can build websites and apps from a single written prompt, leaving human developers to handle only debugging until AI learns to do that too. In healthcare, AI hasn't replaced doctors yet, but it's making them dramatically more efficient. A physician who once saw 10 patients a day can now see 50 with AI assistance. That means fewer new doctors are needed, especially junior ones. Even the creative industries are feeling the impact. Designers, animators, video editors, and composers are discovering that AI can generate fresh, original ideas by linking concepts in ways humans might never consider. Data analysts and researchers who make sense of complex information are competing with AI systems that have real-time access to billions of data points and can process them instantly. The ripple effect is undeniable. Fewer junior roles mean fewer mentors, and without mentors, the human skill pipeline begins to dry up. Creativity itself risks becoming an AI-dominated space, where human originality is overshadowed by machine speed and scale. Some jobs remain relatively safe for now. AI still struggles with physical work that requires hands-on skills and real-world presence. Professions like plumbing, electrical work, construction, welding, carpentry, and security are harder to automate. When asked for career advice in this new era, Geoffrey Hinton gave a surprising answer: plumbing. Strange as it sounds, he knows AI's weakness. Manual, physical tasks are far more challenging for machines than for people. Until robots become as agile and adaptive as humans, these roles will remain strongholds of human labor. But even safe jobs have a hidden threat. As AI tools become more advanced, there's a risk that people in unaffected professions will stop improving their own skills. A plumber using AI-assisted diagnostics might rely so heavily on technology that they forget how to troubleshoot on their own. If that AI system fails, so does the worker. Overdependence on machines could quietly erode human expertise over time, making entire industries more vulnerable in the future. Hinton's warning is not meant to spread fear, but to spark action. The AI revolution is happening quietly, replacing jobs one by one. The danger isn't in some distant future, it's unfolding right now. If you think your job is safe, try giving your work to an AI once. If it can produce the same result, it's time to upgrade your skills. The choice is clear. Adapt to this new reality, or risk being left behind. Because the truth is, AI isn't coming for your job someday. It's already here. The future won't wait for you to catch up. Learn, adapt, and grow. Because in the age of AI, standing still is the fastest way to disappear.